Hello, Form 4 Biology, Chapter 10, Video number 33, page number 23. Okay, this is the last part for lymphatic system. Last two parts. Okay, our title is here. 今天的 title 在这边。The necessities of the lymphatic systems. 淋巴系统的重要性。Why we need the lymphatic system? Okay, so it can be 6 mark anytime in your past year or in your SPM essay. Okay, 好东西来的。I read the explanation. 我读它的解释 and I give you the point. Or this is a F, this is a E in exam in your marking scheme. Marking scheme 这边加 F 就是 fact, 这边加 E 就是解释 explanation. Okay, 3 fact, 3 explanation, 6 mark. Okay, number 1, 第一个我读一下。Lymphatic system return the excess of tissue fluid in the intercellular space into the blood flow. Still remember? 85% of the tissue fluid they flow back to the blood circulatory systems by using the blood vessel 血管. Another 15% they will go to the lymphatic system 跑去淋巴系统. So lymphatic system return the excess of tissue fluid 把这些多余的 15% 流回我们的血液循环系统. So the compositions, the pressure, and the volume of the bloods are maintained at the normal range. Okay, so what is the necessity of what is the importance of the lymphatic system? Number 1, 第一个 point 就是 this is a complementary system for the blood circulatory system. 它让我们的血液循环系统更完整，给它 complete. Okay, so complements the blood circulatory systems. 它给我们的血液循环系统更完整，更 complete， 不会不见掉一些东西。Okay, so this is number 1. 2 mark here， 这边有2分。Next， 第二 ，lymph nodes in the lymphatic system it contains a lymph nodes， 里面有淋巴结 ，and the lymph nodes produce and store the lymphocytes. Or what is mean by lymphocyte? Adult leukocyte, adult white blood cell. Okay, that produce the antibody lah. So lymph nodes produce and store the lymphocyte. They are involved in the production of antibody. Okay, so they're making the antibody inside, and the antibody killing the antigens. Okay, destroy the antigens. 在里面杀掉那些病菌. So lymphatic system actually is a one part of our body defense system. Our body defense mechanism， 它是我们的身体的保卫系统的其中一个机制来的。Okay, so body defense for body defense 里面的lymphocytes， okay， 在淋巴结里面可以制造抗体帮我们杀菌。So this is one of the part in the body defense mechanism， 淋巴系统。还有什么重要性呢 ？Okay， last， okay， fat and fat soluble substances。Okay, when you digest a fat, 当我们的脂肪完全被解散 and the fat soluble substances like vitamin A, D, E, K 溶解在脂肪里面的 vitamin diffuse into the lactose in the vilus of the small intestines. Do you remember? Inside a small intestine, fatty acid, glycerol 还有那些 vitamin A, D, E, K they'll be absorbed into the lactose in the small intestine. 它被小肠里面的 vilus 的 lactose 乳糜管吸走，对不对 ？Okay, and lactose are lymphatic capillary. 乳糜管其实就是淋巴微管来的。它其实就是淋巴系统的管道来的。Okay, so the lipid droplets are transported to the thoracic duct and the blood circulatory systems. So our lymphatic system carry the fat and fat soluble substances in the system. And finally, send the fat and fat soluble substances back to the blood circulatory system through the what? Thoracic ducts. Or what is mean by thoracic duct? 左手边的那些淋巴管啊。Okay, so remember all the lymphatic vessel. They're going to join together, become the ducts called thoracic duct, 对不对？连在一起变成左手边的 thoracic duct, and fall back to the vena cava, fall back to the blood circulatory systems. Okay? Or in other meanings, what is the function of the lymphatic system? 它还有另外一个功能，它的功能是什么呢？ In the transportation of fat soluble substances, 就是在身体里面输送脂肪的东西。Okay? For anything that's related to fat. Okay, or fat soluble substances, they'll go to the lymphatic system first before the blood circulatory system. 它帮忙输送 脂肪的物品啦 ，OK？ So 1, 2, 3, 3.3 explanation 6 mark in your exam. It can be happen anytime. 它已经有这种 trial 的问题了的 ，OK？ Settle for this video. Bye bye.